I'm happy that you decided to rent our backdrop frame, and I'm going to show you how to quickly put it up and disassemble it. So obviously the disassemble will be the reverse. So you'll get these two legs. You'll also receive 4 different types of poles that'll be waiting for you, along with 2 connector, and there'll be 4 end screws. So the first thing that you're going to do, a little tip that I learned, was lift this up just a little bit and then give it a little bit of a turn to tighten it. Now you don't need to crank these down. It'll actually break it if you crank them down, but just give them enough until it holds on to it. And that's just lift it up enough to clear the holes in the bottom. You're going to take the 2 poles along with the connecting pole. You'll stick this into the end to create your connection. And it's just the little push button that will do it for you. It's pretty simple. You'll just take the little screw knob. You'll put this little screw knob through the hole here. And just screw on your crossbars. Really simple. You'll do that to both of the ones all along the bottom. Hold off on doing the top for now. In this cabinet here, you'll find plenty of extra curtains that were in the photo booth area, and you can use those over into the backdrop. At this point, you're going to take your curtain. You're just going to put your top pole through the hem of the curtain and then attach it just like you did at the bottom. Okay, so once you've screwed down your top pole, you're ready to extend it and decorate it. Now, you can spread that curtain out, but you'll notice that there's extensions here. So you just loosen your extensions and go ahead and send it out up to 8 feet. And then you can do the same thing to the other side. And remember, there's no reason to massively tighten these. It becomes very difficult to untighten if you crank it down. So just make it so it's snug and holds everything. And once you get it all extended wide, go ahead before you extend it tall, put your decorations that you're going to put on the backdrop onto it. We do provide you, remember, these clips, and there is a ladder also in the closet should you need that. You'll find the clips for the backdrop frame here in this drawer. There's plenty of clips that you can just clip right across either your backdrop or your photo booth.